I just took the second loaf out of the oven. It came out really wonderful. I'm really happy with it. I think we could go ahead and slice this first loaf. It's been cooled a bit now, and we'll just see what that looks like on the inside. And this is 100% whole wheat and 100% hydration. So this is what the bread looks like. This is what our 100% hydration whole wheat loaf looks like. So I'm really, really pleased with these loaves of bread. I think they came out great. So we'll just have to do the taste test. And I could do that right now. That is really good. I can taste the full flavor of the wheat. It's got a nice tangy sour to it. Oh, this is really delicious. This is a nice, nice loaf. Yum. Let me take another bite. If you're wanting to make a 100% whole wheat loaf, I would highly recommend trying this formula. This is 100% hydration whole wheat sourdough, and it's also 100% whole wheat. The starter was whole wheat, and the bread is whole wheat. There's no white flour in it. And like I said, it's at 100% hydration.